Next we shall discuss about the halides of group 2 elements. The halides are ionic in nature, but beryllium halides are covalent and are soluble in organic solvents. Beryllium chloride has a chain structure in the solid state. Beryllium chloride exists as chloro-bridged dimer in the vapor phase. Fluorides are less soluble than chlorides. It is due to high lattice enthalpies. Next we shall learn about salts of oxo acids. First we will be discussing about carbonates. Alkaline earth metal carbonates are insoluble in water. For example, if we consider calcium carbonate, we know that it is insoluble in water. Now, how are these alkaline earth metal carbonates precipitated? It is precipitated by the reaction of ammonium or sodium carbonate with soluble halides. For example, let us consider how calcium carbonate is prepared. It is precipitated by the reaction of sodium carbonate with calcium chloride. The byproduct obtained is sodium chloride. So, alkaline earth metal carbonates are precipitated by the reaction of either ammonium carbonate or sodium carbonate with soluble halide. Solubility of carbonates decreases with increase in the atomic number of metal ion. The carbonates decompose on heating to give oxide and carbon dioxide. For example, we know that when calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Beryllium carbonate is unstable. The thermal stability of carbonates increases with increasing cationic size. So, as the size of the cation increases, thermal stability will also increase. Beryllium carbonate is highly unstable because the cation beryllium 2 plus is the smallest. Next we shall discuss about sulfates of group 2 elements. Sulfates are white solids. For example, calcium sulfate is a white solid. They are stable towards heat. Beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate are soluble in water. It is due to high hydration enthalpies of beryllium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus ions. Since Be2 plus and Mg2 plus ions are comparatively smaller, they get heavily hydrated, so they have high hydration enthalpies, due to which beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate are soluble in water. Since they have high hydration enthalpies, they can overcome the lattice enthalpy factor. Solubility decreases from calcium sulfate to barium sulfate. We know that barium sulfate is insoluble. Next we shall discuss about nitrates. Nitrates are prepared by the reaction of carbonates with dilute nitric acid. Nitrates decompose on heating to form oxide. There is a decreasing tendency to form hydrates with increasing size and decreasing hydration enthalpy. Now let us see how magnesium nitrate undergoes decomposition. Magnesium nitrate, when heated, decomposes to magnesium oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Anomalous behavior of beryllium. We know that beryllium is the first element among group 2 metals. So beryllium will be the smallest and it will be having high ionization enthalpy. So because of the small size of beryllium and high ionization enthalpy, beryllium differs from the rest of the elements. Beryllium forms covalent compounds. It does not exhibit coordination number more than 4 because beryllium can have only 4 orbitals, whereas the remaining members can have coordination number equal to 6. It is because of the availability of d orbitals. Oxide and hydroxide is amphoteric. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric as well as beryllium hydroxide. Diagonal relationship of beryllium with aluminium. Like aluminium, beryllium is not readily attacked by acids. It is because of the formation of an oxide film. Beryllium hydroxide dissolves an excess alkali to give berylate ion. Chlorides have chloro-bridged structure in vapor phase. Beryllium chloride as well as aluminum chloride are soluble in organic solvents. Beryllium chloride and aluminum chloride act as strong Lewis acids. Beryllium as well as aluminum shows strong tendency to form complexes.